Hello guys, welcome to our channel Softwish Circle. My name is Manish Kumar. I work in an IT company called iCertis. I work as a associate software architect. Today, so this is today I have brought one of the website which I found really helpful for me, especially when the system goes live and you need to debug something or you need to verify something whether your code is there on the server or not. And you do not have access to the server, but you can still open your application in the browser and you need to verify. So I'm talking about minified JS. So for the if you have written huge JS in your application and you have minified it and you're using the minified version of your JS and any changes you have made it, then you are minified it and it is on the server. And once you open your application, you need to find out that whether your code is there or not. And suppose your code is not working there at all. Now you have no clue how to get it. Whether you the one option is you go to your server, get your JS. You need to go to your source control and you need to see it with whether your code is there, and again minify it and then put it on the server again. So here, for getting the minified version in the browser, we obviously know we can still press F12 from the developer tool. We can get the minified version of your JavaScript, but that is not in the readable format. You won't be able to get to know what is there. And I mean, even if you want to debug your dry run your JS, and you won't be able to know. So here I am bringing you something which actually, at least for me, it helped me a lot. Is IJS website called Unminify.js. Okay, this is the website that I found very helpful for me. This is one of the JS I found somewhere on the internet, and we'll just have a look. See this. Just I have pasted it here. You see, this is completely minified JS, right? I will just click on unminify and wow, see, we have an unminified version of the whole JavaScript. And just for the matter of a proof, we just have to find out, we just find out something interesting. Okay. Uh, jQuery minified JS. Okay. We'll go to jQuery website. We'll find out the minified version of that. Yeah, I got it. Open the browser. Okay, this is the jQuery in minified version, jQuery mean.js. Okay, we can also see it here in the address bar, jQuery hyphen 3.5.1 version, and this is minified.js. I'll just copy it. We'll go to our website, unminify.com. We'll just paste it here. I've just pasted it here and I pressed on minify. Okay, see, we have got the complete jQuery minified JS converted to unminified version. Okay, so this is the beauty of this website. And one more thing, since we have already minified it, how will we? Sorry, we have already unminified it. How will you minify it if you want to do it? Okay, we'll just copy this. Just find out a query. Okay, javascript-minifier.com. The input string is there. I've just paste it here. The unminified version of the jQuery. I'll just click on minify. Okay, now we have the minified version of this minified output. We have it here. We'll just copy to clipboard. We'll go to minify, minify, sorry, unminify.js, unminify.com. There, you just have to paste it here. Now see, we have minified it there on the another website. We again try to unminify it. Wow, we got it. So here we can still see from the browser, we can, from the developer tool, we can get the our minified version of JS. We can still unminify it and still see what is really happening there or whether our code is there or not. So this site really helped me a lot and still helping. I believe you people like this website. And for freshers also, this is good to know. Okay, thank you guys. Hope it helps.